All right, in today's video, I want to share with you a cryptocurrency on my radar, sort of a hidden gem altcoin in this space in 2021. Over the last few months, we've seen some of the most viral creators on the planet choose this cryptocurrency to launch their NFTs off of, as well as one of the most respected recording artists set the record at the time for highest auction of a tokenized NFT music album on this platform. They also have a fully public, stacked team right out of Silicon Valley. You may recognize some of them, as well as their own stablecoin, which is the first one that lets you earn a yield while it's still in your wallet. Of course, we're talking about Origin Protocol and their governance token OGN. Let's jump in. Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. My name's Austin. Now, the purpose of today's video is in 11 minutes or less, go over the broad strokes on what exactly Origin Protocol is. And there's really two big aspects here. Origin Protocol is bringing NFTs and DeFi to the masses. That's Origin. They're a partner of the channel, and these two different aspects are exactly what we'll be going over in today's video. Like always, check the timestamps down below in the video description. You do not want to miss each different component, but let's start with one of their most popular products to date, their NFT Launchpad, where, as we've seen, top creators launch their NFTs. Origin has hosted record-breaking NFT sales from top musicians, celebrities, and creators, and you can sell your NFTs on your own website, not somebody else's marketplace. And that is really the secret sauce here of Origin's NFT Launchpad. You control the experience. Host your NFT sale on your own domain and start growing your community. So it is very customizable to the creators. Run a more profitable sale with limited time open editions or a unique leaderboard auction. Here's an example of some of the UI that Origin Protocol offers: bid rankings, tiers, customizable for the creators. And digging deeper on how the Origin Launchpad is different. The key to unlocking value in all these crypto-centric opportunities with NFTs is making NFT issuance dead simple for creators. And this is in contrast to existing players in the market today, like Nifty Gateway. Origin believes the creators should own the branding and have direct control over pricing models, i.e. different auction mechanisms or tiered pricing. And by the way, the platform that keeps the creators happy is probably going to be the NFT platform that gains mass adoption. The Dshop NFT Launchpad, that's the name of Origin's NFT Launchpad, Dshop, gives creators and influencers more direct control over their content and their physical, digital, and experimental products. And Dshop, in a way, is sort of like the Shopify, only in the NFT world. Just as we've seen many merchants have chosen Shopify overselling on generic marketplaces that do not allow for custom branding and direct relationships to end customers, we believe the same model will be successful for NFTs. And that is where Origin's Dshop comes in, like right here. Run and grow your business with Dshop, a customizable and open source e-commerce platform built on the decentralized web. Link down below, check it out for yourself. But in my opinion, this is why we're seeing the biggest viral stars on the planet choose to launch off Origin. We've seen this with YouTuber/boxer Jake Paul. We've seen this with Charlie Bit My Finger, which actually set a record when they auctioned off their viral video as an NFT off of Origin. And we've also seen some traction with Origin out of the music industry. Blau sold his Ultraviolet album NFT for over $11 million, a record at the time on Origin. And I think it's because of the value, but I also think it's because of the direct-to-fan experience and the customization and control Origin NFT Launchpad offers to creators. Let me know what you think about Origin's NFT Launchpad down below in the comment section. Always more information to cover. There will be a secondary market launching soon, but let's keep going. A lot more to cover. And next up, let's talk about their stablecoin, the Origin Dollar OUSD. It is the first stablecoin that earns a yield while it's still in your wallet. So instead of just holding Tether, for example, or USDC, and just having it sit there, Right now, hodlers of Origin Dollar are currently earning 11.11% APY based on a trailing 7-day calculation. And 11% is pretty significant. And this is done by yield farming with a lot of popular protocols that you probably used or at least have heard of before. All the earnings, none of the hassle. DeFi yields are automatically converted to OUSD and accrued in your wallet. Your OSUD balance compounds multiple times per day. No staking and no lockups are required. And by the way, you don't have to use their specific Origin Dollar wallet. You can use most any non-custodial wallet you want, MetaMask, Ledger, etc. But the point is, while one OUSD will always equal $1, it should, it's a stablecoin, it has an elastic supply that rebases, compounds in your wallet. Elastic supply, stable price. OUSD is pegged to the US dollar. Returns are distributed as additional units of OUSD, and supply rebasing happens multiple times per day. See, your OUSD grows much faster than just your regular USD grows in traditional savings accounts. And to get into more detail, it is backed one-to-one by other stablecoins. So OUSD is secured by other proven stablecoins like USDT, USDC, and DAI. That capital is then further insured by governance tokens issued by platforms like Aave and MakerDAO. Automated strategies and transparent OUSD smart contracts manage your fund, see exactly how your money is being put to work. So this is all trustless, it's all through smart contracts, and like I said, in regards to the wallets, you always have full control. Store and earn OUSD with non-custodial Ethereum wallets. Enter and exit OUSD whenever you want. There's no minimum holding period or minimum OUSD amount required to start earning yields. Interesting. Give me your thoughts on Origin Dollar down below. And keeping in mind that nothing is guaranteed in life, it is nice to see that this project is heavily audited. The audits include the OUSD Vault, the ERC20 token, and the overall system. OUSD has been audited by multiple well-respected firms. We have worked with both Trail of Bits as well as Solidified to audit all of the code that powers Origin Dollar, all of which can be verified here. The governance token, OGN, was also audited by Trail of Bits in 2018. Love this. I wish more projects would do things like this. I will link this down below for you to check out yourself, but to me, anytime there's audits, big green flag for me. Whoop, one more thing before we move on. I also do like that it is backed by optional insurance if you want some protection. If you're hodling this stablecoin, you can protect your OUSD holdings with smart contract insurance. Optional coverage is provided by Nexus Mutual and Cover Protocol. OUSD holders can buy smart contract insurance to cover any losses that might result from any bugs or vulnerabilities in the OUSD contracts, including economic exploits such as flash loan attacks. All by Cover Protocol and Nexus Mutual. Love it. Let's keep moving. Next up, I want to talk about the core team. Our world-class team is led by entrepreneurs and engineers from iconic tech companies. And that's true. The Origin team does have a lot of heavy hitters from tech, from engineering, from product management. Let me highlight 3 for you today and check out for yourself their prior work history. Starting with co-founder Matthew Liu. Matt was the 3rd product manager at YouTube, eventually acquired by Google, as well as the VP of product management at Quickie, eventually acquired by Yahoo, and Bonobos, later acquired by Walmart. He's a Stanford man, as you can see here, and has worked at some of the top tech companies in existence. We can double check this on his LinkedIn, like this. All prior work experience checks out. Let's move on to their founding engineer. You may have heard of him, Yupan. Yupan was one of the 6 original founding team members of PayPal and was the first employee at YouTube. He is also a former Google employee and co-founder of KiwiCrate. Wow, quite the resume. He worked right alongside Elon Musk. I like it. And then the 3rd team member we're highlighting in today's video is Frank C., who is the VP of engineering. He previously led engineering teams at Inktomi, PayPal, YouTube, Google, and Dropbox. All this can be verified on their LinkedIn, but it's all public, it's all out there. You give me your thoughts on the team, but in my opinion, they seem more than capable. They have a lot of experience now converging on Origin. Looking at the advisors, they have major recording artist Justin Blau, heavily respected in the music industry. He has launched NFTs off of Origin, as well as Paris Hilton. That's hot. And actually, these press releases came out a few weeks ago. Paris Hilton joins Ethereum NFT project Origin as advisor, as well as major recording artist Blau joins as a formal Origin advisor. What do you think? For me, it's just cool to see which platform these celebrities are flocking to. And as a reminder, Blau was actually a user of the platform before he signed his name to it. His ultraviolet NFT drop on the Origin NFT Launchpad garnered nearly $11.7 million in the primary sale, the record for any NFT sale at that time. And now that he has signed on as an advisor, I would say that's a big green flag for the entertainment industry in general. Give me your thoughts down below on the advisors, on the team. But that is the video. That's Origin Protocol. And I guess the only thing we didn't quite touch on in this video is their governance token, OGN token. But what I like, and I will link this down below, is they're very public, very transparent on all their stats. For example, they share the metrics on people choosing to stake their OGN. They talk about their pre-sale investors, vesting schedules, and much more. So the transparency is there. I will leave it to you. But like always, see you tomorrow.